What's up, guys? Yeah, so sorry it's been a while that I've taken a video. Yeah, work life has been quite busy, but I'm back at it today, finally doing something that I've been wanting to do for quite some while. Quite some while, what the fuck am I saying, quite some time. Anyway, finally got a stabilizer to take some pretty sick videos. I want to try it out today. I didn't wash my car yesterday. Nice and clean. I need to show you guys actually, because these guys who I wash my car, they just yeah. Anyway, so to today's topic, I'm gonna be doing the D.I.Y. It's something that I've just been wanting to do. I think it looks a lot cleaner.
Speaking about, as you can see, yeah, not even clean properly. This is the front rim. That one's okay. See here by the back. Yeah, this one, not great quality cleaning over there. And yeah, this is the worst one of them all. So let me just get you better light. You see, so I'm gonna have to clean that again today. And yeah, then what I was speaking about, D.I.Y. Here it is. So this is the one I'm going to be taking off. Both of these actually. I think I'm going to leave this little sticker for the boys. Damn, cold start. Ooh, look at that tip. Look at that tip. Yeah, boys. So I think let's get on with it, eh? First I probably need to get some shit to help me take this off, and then to clean it afterwards. So let me go get that. I'll check it. What's up, guys? Okay, I'm going to use a hairdryer and some fishing line. You can see that. Yeah, let's attempt it. Got it off. Now it's just to take it very easy. What's up, guys? So yeah, just to come back where we left off to, here's where I finished up with the debadging. This is just excess or residue glue that I need to get off now. I need to go find some thinners to remove that. But I actually got a bit sidetracked and I started polishing the car. So as you can see, let's see if you can see on the camera. As you can see, it's not really shiny anymore, so we'll come back in a couple of hours. And oh, by the way, this is my brother-in-law's Vauxhall Astra TSI 2-litre turbocharged. It's got a bit of a nice kick. It's standing at the moment, but waiting for a clutch kit. But yeah, once that thing is up, hopefully we can take it for a spin and yeah, get a review done on it. Okay guys, so yeah, just decided while I wait, actually I'm going to do a bit of a cinematic edit quickly. So yeah, while the car So guys, yeah, I've actually finished up, got it all done, and actually finished polishing the car as well, so let's take a look. Yeah, so I don't know what you guys think about it. I think it looks a lot cleaner. Maybe I should take that little sticker off as well, but I think it looks a lot cleaner now that it doesn't have the name badge. And yeah, just gave it a nice polish, so look at the shine. Damn, boys. Such a nice shine. Even the rims, oh my fuck, just look here. Ooh, just look at this shot. Ooh. Oh, such a nice shot. Okay boys, so I think I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm actually going to go play some touch rugby now. We'll see how that goes, see if I can catch with my thumb. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, subscribe, give me tips and ideas of stuff I could do. I still have actually one more thing. Okay, so I'm just going to use that to lay it down. So this is that wing that I'm busy making. Still got a lot of progress to do. A little bit of sanding, which you guys can see, but yeah, still quite a bit to go to fade it down to the baby. Okay guys, so yeah, thanks again, thanks for watching. I might be putting a short clip and maybe a sunset shoot, since it's about another hour and a half, then sun will set. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you guys.